Hey guys, this is Karan Rani from Movie Scrub and I'm going to talk about 5 biggest problems with the Galaxy S6 or the S6 Edge. The new S6 is all nice and shiny and all glossy with its metal and glass combination, but with glass comes a major problem. It's a fingerprint magnet, especially at the back, and the same goes in the front too. Just tap a couple of times with your fingertips and you could actually succeed at leaving fingerprints on the screen. The other problem is that because the front and back both are glass, it means when you drop the phone, now you have a higher probability of breaking either the front or the back because it's going to fall on either the front or the back surface. And of course, you'd have no other way but to get the entire glass replaced. With glass comes another problem, scratches. As you can see at the bottom left edge of the device, you'd see a small scratch which came in just after a week of use. I keep my phone on all kinds of surface, sun mica, granite, marble, wood, and I can see small scratches on the back surface already. One way to avoid this would be to use a screen protector that could come either for the front or the back surface. Now again, owing to use of glass and metal sides, the phone is actually quite slippery. If the surface is a little bit inclined, be sure the phone is going to slip away even from your hands. The S6 and the S6 Edge have a unibody design, which means no access to battery and no storage expansion. The modularity or the flexibility to change batteries or increase storage is now gone. And just as every rechargeable battery has an expiration date, in this case the phone would have an expiration date because once your battery refuses to recharge efficiently, your phone won't really function that well. Now, whenever I plan on taking selfies, I often find it very difficult to take using both my hands because the left hand always kind of comes in the way. The position of the front camera is so high up near the top edge that my left hand intermittently blocks the view. Now, one solution to this would be to just take the selfies using your right hand. But that not might be possible every time because you could be standing on the extreme left of a group selfie. The solution to that would be to rotate the device so that the shutter button comes onto your left hand and the camera goes onto the right side, making it easier for your left hand to take a selfie. The last problem I want to discuss has got to do with the position of the heart rate sensor, which you can also use to snap selfies only when a face is detected on camera. This feature would really work best if you're using the phone in portrait mode. In landscape mode, you'd actually be stretching your finger far too much to just take a picture. You'll never be able to reach it without really having a look at where your finger is really reaching out to. So these were really just the problems that I have seen with the Galaxy S6 and the S6 Edge. Little weird, but then these are a couple of things that you too would realize once you start using the phone. Nevertheless, the device is actually pretty great.